Hello friends, today I want to show you how to change the projection of a shapefile to projected. So suppose uh, this is the shape shapefile of a county in Kenya known as Busia County. You see it is in WGS, that is the world system. So we need 8 projected. So how do we go about it? You'll see, suppose we come here, right click, then go to properties and try to change this one from this point here, having that the project the our shapefile is we should just search at 6 node. So when we place that 6 node here, and then we apply it, you see our image stops to our shapefile stops to overlay from the its position, right? So here it has been displaced, which was wrong. So what could we do? So I will just remove this one here from this. This is the common mistake that many people does. Then I will load this layer one more. So when I zoom to layer, this layer should be lying at this point here, and it is in uh, WGS 84. So I need it projected. So what should we do? Right click on that layer, go to export, then save the layer S, navigate to the folder where you need to save this this uh, this shapefile, then give it a name, then okay. Now here it's where you make the changes, right? So you just click at that point, then make the 36 node here, then okay. Now when you click OK, you see the layer overlays here and its projection right here. The properties, you'll note that its projection it is in zone 36 node. That was fun for today. Thank you.